Hello and welcome to our second video for the heat map from Forex Early Warning. In this video, we want to concentrate more closely on the currency groups and the characteristics of the heat map. Today, we will focus on the currency groups of the dollar and the euro and the euro-dollar currency pair. The heat map will continue to update live to indicate the percentage change in price. So the percentages and the bar chart will change with market movements throughout the day. So let's take a look at the heat map more closely. Firstly, the heat map indicates strength and weakness through its use of green and red, and this reflects upward and downward currency trends. With the euro pairs, we see overall weakness, and against the dollar, the euro shows the greatest weakness, and the heat map reflects this. The small red arrow shows it is currently the biggest downtrend out of all the 28 pairs. Another important detail of the chart is reading the pairs. This is due to a base currency and a quote currency. Now we will explain this in another video, but it is the reason why the currency pairs are listed in this way. So with euro-dollar, we know the euro is weak. However, if we look at the dollar group at the top of the chart, we see euro-dollar and the same row appearing again. This doesn't mean the dollar is weak. It simply means the euro, the base currency, is weaker against the dollar, and therefore the dollar is actually strong. So do take your time to familiarise yourself with the currency groups and their unique patterns, as these will indicate overall strength and weakness. Over time, and by using the heat map regularly, you will begin to interpret each currency group's strong and weak chart patterns more quickly.